Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. Okay, but 20 is not correct answer. It's the completely wrong answer. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS P E M D A S. First priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents. Then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. First we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 5 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. Now here is multiplication and here is subtraction. First priority is according to PEMDAS rule multiplication. Okay. Then we have to solve subtraction. So now solve this multiplication. 5 now minus 1 multiply 5 is equal to minus 5. So now 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So the correct answer is 0. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.